Hello, my dear children. How are you all today? Are you all doing good? Very good. So, in today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. We have finished all the concepts in chapter 1. Now, if I go to shop and purchase two things which is costing 900 rupees and one cost 350 rupees. Tell me how much did I spend altogether? ഒരു സാധനം വാങ്ങിച്ചപ്പോൾ 900 rupees ആയി, മറ്റേ സാധനം വാങ്ങിച്ചപ്പോൾ 350 rupees ആയി. അപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടലി ഞാൻ എത്ര കൊടുത്തു? എത്ര പൈസ ആയിരിക്കും ഞാൻ പേ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? 1250. Now I think you have understood what we are going to learn in today's class. Parayu, very correct. We are going to learn about addition. Okay, you have been studying addition from grade 1. But in grade 5, you're going to see addition of large numbers. We are going to add 6-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers. So let's start today's class. So today we are going to learn about addition. So let us start with a very simple thing. Can we start with a very simple thing? Okay. So we have to add 3,523 and 2,898. Okay. So let us take the abacus and do the addition so that you understand it better. So see, I have taken 3,523 here on the abacus. Now we are going to add 2,898 towards this. So we will always start adding from the ones place. So we have to add 8. 2,898. So we have to add 8 in the ones place. So let us try to add 8 and let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What happens? 8 plus 3 is 11. So in ones place we will put 1 and in tens place automatically 1 got added, isn't it? So in the tens place, what do we have? What do we have in the tens place in the second number? 9. So now let us try to add 9. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we are adding 9, what happens? The answer becomes 12. We had 3 already there and plus 9. So it becomes 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 goes to the hundreds place. Correct? Yes. So now we have to add 8 to the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had 6 plus 8 which becomes 14. So 4 we will write in hundreds place and 1 we will give it to the thousands place. Yes or no? So now let us try to count. So we had 3 in the thousands place and 1 was carry forward which makes it 4. But we have to add 2 more. So let us see. What are we getting? We are getting 6 here. So the answer when we are adding both the numbers, we get 6,421. 6,421. So when we add 3,523 and 2898, we get 6421. And how do we get it? 8 plus 3 is 11. Yes. So we will be writing 1 here. Yes. And 1 we will be carry forward. We will do 1 as carry forward. Correct? So see, when we are adding 8 plus 3, we get 11. So the ones place we write here and tens place we take it as carry forward. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So in 12, the ones place we write it here and the tens place we give it as a carry forward. Okay. And 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So in 14, the ones place we will write it here and the tens place will be carried forward. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 6421. Is that clear? So let's try to see one more example. Okay, and you have to practice all the exercise questions which is there for addition in chapter 2. The first exercise, practice it. So now let us try to take one example of large numbers. So let us read both the numbers. We have to add 59 lakhs 2,873 and 3,76,529. Okay, for adding, the first thing we have to do is we have to write it in the place value chart. So let us try to write the first number 59 lakhs 2,873 in this place value chart. So can we write it? Okay. So when we are representing, we will always start from the ones place. Okay. So we have placed the complete number in the place value chart. Now we are going to add the next number, which is 3,76,529. So how are we going to do that? Let us see. First, we will be representing that number also in the place value chart, and always start representing from the ones place. Always start representing from the ones place. So 9, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 3. Now can we start adding? From where are we going to start the addition? From where are we going to start the addition? We will always start the addition from the ones place. From the ones place. So 9 plus 3. Always take the smaller number in your hand and after the 9 or after the bigger number start counting. So after 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer when we add 9 and 3 is 12. So we will represent the ones place always here and the tens place will go as carry forward. We will be giving it as carry forward. So where will 1 come? 1 will be coming here. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. Yes or no? 8 plus 2 is 10. So in 10, what comes in ones place? 0. So we will represent 0 here. And what is in tens place? 1. So where will we write 1? Definitely we will be writing 1 in the as carry forward. So let us write 1 as carry forward. Okay, now 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is 14. So what comes in the ones place? 4. And what should be carried forward? The digit in the tens place. So 14. So we are carry forwarding 1 and ones place was 4. So we will be writing here in the hundreds place. Is that clear? Now I think you should be able to do. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 6 is 9. Yes, 9. Is there anything to carry forward? No, 9 is a single digit number. So you can write it directly. Is that clear? Now 0 plus 7. Any number which is added to 0, we get the answer as the same number. So what is the answer? 7 plus 0. Come on, tell me. 7. Very good. So we will get it as 7. Then 9 plus 3. After 9 we have 10, 11, 12. So we will get 12. So can we write 12 here? No, we will write 2 here and 1 would be given as carry forward to the next place. Yes or no? Okay, so where will we write 2? Very good, here. So we will write 2 here and we will carry forward 1 to the next place value. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ? 5ഉം 1ഉം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? So 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 6. So what is the answer? 6. So we have got the answer 62 lakhs 79,402. When we add these two numbers, we get the answer 62 lakhs 79,402. Is that clear to you? Yes? Is that clear? You have to see this video again and again. Alright, and practice doing the first exercise of your second chapter, which is about addition. Will you all do that? Very good. So let us see another example. We have to add 5,23,897 and 6,78,654. So first we write the numbers, okay, one under the another, and let us start adding from the ones place. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So we will write 1 in the ones place and the tens place would be taken as carry forward. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes or no? 15. So we will be writing 5 here. Yes, and we will take 1 as carry forward. Yes or no? We will be taking 1 as carry forward. So 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 6 is 15. Correct? 9 plus 6 is 15. So see, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 will be given as carry forward. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 will be written here and 1 we will give it as carry forward. Then 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10, 0 we will write it here and 1 will be given as carry forward. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So we get the answer as 12 lakhs 2,551. 551. I hope you all have understood the addition of large numbers. I request you to practice the first exercise of chapter 2 so that you can quickly do the addition of large numbers. Thank you so much, children, for attending the class. See you in the next class. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you, everyone.